Hi, how are you? Grade 5th class. Hope you all are fine at home and doing our drawing assignment time. Okay, so this week we are taking craft assignment and I'll choose a very close topic. The coming festival is Christmas. So I'll choose a topic surprise gift message card. Okay, now the Christmas is coming, so let's make something innovative and creative. We can enjoy this activity also, and this activity you can use for your own purpose also. Okay, so we require only a single color of paper. You can take any light color of the paper, some color sketch pen if you have your place, then it's okay. Otherwise you can use a regular pen also. Okay, and this is our single sheets. Okay, with this message we are writing coming the festival is Christmas. You can give this gift surprise message card to your friend, your colleague, your relatives, and enjoy this activity also. So let's start this activity without wasting our time. Okay, so you can take A4 size of the paper. It should be at least the proper medium size, not too small and not too big. Okay, so let's start. I choose a A4 size. Then this is my first step. I am folding my paper. Now this is a second fold. This is a third fold. Before you prepare the message, you want to write your friend, okay, on the Christmas vacation, New Year, any kind of. Then you have to fold again one more fold here. Okay, this is a fold number 4th. Make sure press the fold properly. It will not open up again and again. So same here, you have to fold it. This is the 5th fold. Okay, after this fold you have to fold this last fold here, the 6th one fold. The fold number is 6. Okay, so whole folding we are doing a front side. Okay, now the 7 number fold. Okay, after the folding the paper, behind we are writing the message here. Okay, so I am using my pen to write the message. You can write in calligraphic style also. Either you can write in your usual handwriting. Okay, after this writing the message, you want to give to someone to write here the name, no issue. Okay, so my message is ready. After, you have to behind, we are folding 3 steps, 1 2 3. Okay, like this way. Hope the 3 folds should be parallel, no one is small and big, like this way. See, the distance between the same line. Okay, then open up again. So do one thing here. Take the proper measurement. When you fold this fold, you have to pull out this fold again, and inside this corner, right side of the, and this side, left side of the corner, both right and left, you have to pull it inside the other fold, this way, and you have to lock the fold properly. See, hope you will understand. And here you have to make small arrow, like this way. Make it dark. You can use a sketch pen to decorate more creative way. And you can write here pull. This is your surprise message, no one will can read. Okay, you want to decorate here more nice way, so you can decorate, make the flower some interesting design. This is surprise message, so no one can read. You can use a multiple color sketch pen. Okay. Hope you will enjoy this activity. Now the time is leaving, so bye bye and take care.